Are you sure about that?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got in my May 2020 Ipsy Glam bag. If you haven't seen my April 2020 Glam bag, I will link that down below, just in case you're interested in seeing what I got. And also in that video, I mentioned that I will be making a video about Ipsy once a month, because that's when I actually get my packages. So, you know, if you like videos like this, look out for it, you know. So yeah. And if you notice, I'm standing up. Something different. I was tired of sitting down. I was already kind of sick of the whole my background.
I really like my background, y'all. It's just two beds and a window. Like, if I had like a room where I can like put something on the wall, that would be lit. But
yeah, so I was like, I want to change it up a little bit because I was sick of sitting down. Just, I don't know. I felt like standing up would be a little different, so that's why I'm standing. FYI, if you cared, I doubt you did. Going on to the video. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. It's like pink, and then it has like red or pink and red. Y'all see red on here?
Nope.
This bag is pink and what is this? Yellow, gold. It's cute. It's like pink lemonade. Don't it look like pink lemonade? You see? I can't believe I said red. That's ridiculous. This is what it look like when I opened it up. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to read the card like I did in the last video. I'm going to try to keep that up by reading the card every time, because the card is the theme, and the card lets you know sometimes what you got in the bag. So this is what it looks like. Get that glow. That's what it say. That's what the bag look like. So basically it says, a new season is finally on the horizon. Let the excitement in the air spark new ideas, like sunset lids or megawatt highlighter, and a bask in every light you find, ready to get glowing. So this will look like you open it up. It says highlighter, powder, liquid, cream. You know, if you want to read all of that, be my guest, but you can pause the video because I ain't reading all that, sis. All right, the next thing I see in the bag is this big box, so I'm gonna get that out because that's exciting. All right, so this is, it's a little bent. They had to stuff this in here. You see that? Sorry. But anyway, come on, light. I know it'd be so bright. Ooh! It says cocoa and coconut superfood reviving hydrating mask. So it's a mask, face mask. Take it out. This is what it looks like. Come on, phone, bro. Just let them see. Let them see it. Why you don't want them to see it? I'm gonna put it on my hand so we can see the consistency of it. This is the little drop of it. I want to feel like if it was thick or not, but it don't. It's not thick to me. It smells like nothing, but that's a good thing not to have fragrances in your skincare products, because why do they need to smell good? So that's okay. But what are you supposed to do with this? Is it supposed to be keep it on your skin or what? It says apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin in the evening. Allow the mask to sink into skin and leave overnight. Cleanse as normal the following morning. Okay, so you're supposed to leave it on overnight and wash it off in the morning? Cool. Cool. The next thing in the bag, I'm gonna choose you. This is a invigorating hand and body lotion. Sweet orange, 100% natural. What else does it say? I need to stop going down. I need to show y'all what I'm doing. I'm over here like doing my thing, and y'all see it's probably like my forehead, to be honest, but okay. No artificial flavors, coloring, or fragrance. Jeez, I can't. Reading is not what I need. I need to go to school, y'all. It is a sweet orange, so I'm gonna see what that smells like. Hold on. Why does this lotion that I got from this product, from the Ipsy bag, smell like this one? Even though this is sweet pineapple, and this is sweet orange. They not that far from each other. That's why I'm like, I feel like I had this before. But yeah, I'm gonna put it on my skin on the same spot I put the other thing, but I already wiped it off, but we're gonna put it on. Stick if it's not coming out. I'm gonna stick my finger in it. Ew, that's not, that'll look good on my finger, sorry. It's like, it's like a butter. That's what it feels like. Let me read this a little bit more. Oh yeah, cacao seed butters. I'm gonna rub this on my arm. It feels good though. It feels really good, but I'm still not a big fan of the smell like that. But moving on. The next thing I see is this wrapped bubble wrap. So we're gonna open this up. Do some look ASMR for y'all real quick. How was that? Do y'all watch ASMR? If y'all do, can y'all comment down below and tell me if y'all watch ASMR? So this is Be Your Incredible Self with nail ink. So it's nail polish. Y'all, if y'all watched my last video, I said before I even opened up the bag, I was like, I never got any nail polish. I never got any nail products. Also nail products, but I never actually got nail products yet. But you know, I may get lucky and get it in here. And that day when I opened up that April one, I got nail products. And ever since then, I'm getting nail polish. I guess I didn't jinx myself in a good way, and I'm starting to get nail products. I will paint it on my nail, but like my nails are terrible. But okay, so this is what it looks like. You know, y'all seen nail polish before. What is this called? Primrose Walk. I'm gonna put it on my nail. My light is blinding me. Jesus. I'm gonna put it on my finger. Hold on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. My nails is terrible, y'all, but like just to see what it looks like on a nail. This is one coat. One coat is like full coverage with it. This is some good nail polish. Because if you do it with one coat and it's all you need, man, you can't see through this at all. Next. The next thing I got, and this caught my eye, was this lip gloss. This Tarte H2O gloss. But what does, come on now, focus. Nothing never focuses for me. Like this is sad. But like, what does, don't this look familiar? Don't it look like something over here? You peep it yet? Don't it look like my nail polish? Look, look, look. Coincidence? I think it's not. I think that's supposed to happen. So yeah, they got the same colors in a way. Not on point, but on point. You know what I mean? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take this gloss off because we're gonna try the lipstick on immediately. This cute, ain't it? It don't go with what I got going on with my eyes right now, but this is cute. I ain't gonna lie, this cute. Look. Ooh, not all of it in my nose. Hold on, look down. Cute, right? Okay, the last thing I got, y'all see this little dude bouncing around? You saw that was cool. Okay, so this is a, what is this? A BC Concealer BB plus CC full coverage concealer and a super blacks essence. Let's see if you're gonna focus for us. Focus for us. Yeah. So I never actually like had a BB or CC cream or concealer. I mean, because I always usually use the LA Pro concealer. You know, everybody has this in their life. I always use that one. I never really went out to actually get something like this, but I mean, that's one thing about Ipsy. If you like, I don't know what that was, but one thing about Ipsy is that it gives you opportunity to try out new products that you probably wouldn't try out on your own. So that's a good way to like test your waters with different brands, because you know I'll probably never actually buy anything from them because I didn't even know who they were or what this was. So I can't keep dropping stuff. So we're gonna try this. I'm putting on my, maybe I should switch hands. I'm gonna try to cover up my veins to see what happens. Full coverage, right? Yeah, full coverage. Why do I like that it's like a eye drop thing? I kind of like that. You're gonna use it with the finger. Full coverage, yes ma'am. Yes. What? This better than my foundation I got on my face. It's full coverage. Yeah, it's a yes for me. So this is all the things from the bag. We got 5 things. You know, we got our face mask, lotion, concealer, lip gloss, and nail polish. They all were very good products. I love getting things from Ipsy. It really helps me stack up on my beauty products. It helps me just see new brands instead of using the same drugstore stuff. So this is really good for me. If you are like me and you like need to see something different brands and try new things, and this is a good way to try new things. So the link will be in the description like I said. So yeah, that's all for this video. I'm sorry that I'm like uploading a little wonky and funky, but it's gonna get back on track. I think I only got like 2 more weeks of school, but I'm not gonna not post for 2 weeks. But let y'all know when this school thing is over with and they stop sending me work, I'm gonna be on it. I'm gonna be back on it like I was. Cause like I said in my, what video was that? I don't even know. But the video I said that I was making up my, the Q&A thing. I said I was making up all the work I was doing, and yeah, I was making it up, but I don't know what happened. Like I was making it up and I started slacking again. It's really hard to be motivated in this time because I don't know, it's really hard for me at this moment. Anyway, I don't know. But yeah, I promise I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back being consistent soon. I'm gonna be posting here and there for a little bit right now because I'm really trying to catch up. But like I said, I'll be back. But yeah, that's all for this video. Comment down below my if you made it to the end. I've been trying to I'm gonna start doing that like I did in my other video because I want to just see who actually stays to the end. Not that I would be like, oh, if you didn't stay to the end, I don't like you, not like that, but it's just like I want to just see who actually made it to the end. Not no shame on nobody who didn't, but if you did, you know, comment down below. I may pin you into one of my videos at the top so people can notice you and sub to you, or maybe something else, you know. Good luck to you for spread that good luck for you making it to the end of my video. But yeah, that's all. Bye.